You know that feeling? You have 100 files in your downloads folder, a stack of receipts to organize, research notes scattered everywhere, and you're thinking, I wish I had an assistant who could just do this. Well, Claude just made that real. It's called Cowork, and this isn't your typical chatbot. This is AI that actually does your work while you step away. Let me show you what I mean. So here's the thing that blew my mind. Regular AI chatbots, you ask a question, they answer. You ask another, they answer. It's like having a conversation. But Claude Cowork, it's like having an actual assistant. You say, organize my downloads folder by type and date, and then you literally step away. Come back in 10 minutes and it's done. Hundreds of files sorted, organized, finished. It uses the same agentic architecture that powers Claude Code, that AI that writes code for developers, but now it's available in Claude Desktop for everything else. Knowledge work, file management, research, document creation, all of it. The difference? You're not having a conversation, you're delegating work, and it actually gets done. Now here's what makes this actually insane. First, it has direct access to your files. No more uploading, downloading, copying, pasting. Claude can read from and write to your local files directly. It just works with your actual file system. Second, it's smart about complex tasks. If you give it something big, like synthesize research from these 20 articles and create a report, it doesn't just try to do it all at once. It breaks it into smaller pieces, coordinates multiple work streams in parallel, like having a team working simultaneously. It's actually thinking through the process. Third, the outputs are professional quality. We're not talking rough drafts here. Excel spreadsheets with working formulas, PowerPoint presentations that look polished, formatted documents ready to use. It's creating deliverables, not drafts. And fourth, it can work for extended periods. No timeouts, no context limits, interrupting your progress. Complex tasks that take time, it handles them. So what can you actually do with this? Let me give you some real examples. That downloads folder with 500 random files, organized by type and date, done. Receipts scattered everywhere, drop them in a folder, ask for an expense report, formatted, done. Research scattered across 15 articles and your notes, synthesize this into a coherent report, done. Meeting transcripts, extract key points and action items, done. Need a spreadsheet with VLOOKUP formulas that actually work, not a CSV you have to fix, a real Excel file, done. Rough notes from a meeting, turn them into a polished presentation, done. Voice memos, scattered thoughts, messy data, turn it into professional deliverables. That's what Cowork does. Now here's what you need to know. It's a research preview, so it's still in development. You need a Claude Pro or Max Plan subscription. And here's the big one. It's only available on Claude Desktop for macOS right now. No web version, no mobile, no Windows yet. It runs in a virtual machine on your computer, so it's secure, but you do grant it access to files you choose. You can see what it's planning to do and steer it if needed. And fair warning, it uses more of your usage allocation than regular chat because these tasks are compute intensive. But honestly, for the time it saves, it's worth it. So here's the bottom line. Claude Cowork is AI that doesn't just answer your questions, it does your work. Organize files, create documents, analyze data, synthesize research, all while you do something else. This is the shift from AI assistant to AI worker. And honestly, it's pretty incredible. Want me to do a full walkthrough showing how to use it? Drop Cowork in the comments below, and I'll create a detailed tutorial. And subscribe. I break down the latest AI tools every week, and this space is moving fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.